Apple AirTags can be used as NFC tag that can trigger iOS shortcuts automations. Don't worry, an AirTag is still going to work as an item tracker even when you are using it as automation trigger. Let's find out how. Hello, KPeyanski here. Let's first clear what are Apple AirTags. AirTags are small, battery-powered devices that can be used to track almost anything, from keys to pets. You can use many AirTags and they are all monitored using Find My app on an iPhone. On top, you can use AirTags as NFC trigger for the automations that are available in the Apple's Shortcuts app. To make this work, you will need an Apple iPhone XS or newer, and of course, at least one Apple AirTag. To start your automation, you simply have to touch your iPhone with your AirTags or vice versa, and you are done. Before we go any further, I just want to say that my channel reached 10,000 subscribers last week. To celebrate this, I prepared a giveaway for you. All of the details can be seen later in the video. Just keep watching. Now let's see how to set up an automation in Apple Shortcuts. So when you tap your phone with the AirTag, it will show you the directions from your current location to your home, for example. Plus, it will set a Do Not Disturb mode and it will send a custom text message to a person you wish. In Shortcuts app, open the automation sections and then tap on the plus button, create personal automation and scroll down until you see NFC. Click on scan button and you're ready to scan your AirTag. Hold your AirTag in the upper part of the iPhone and type any name you wish. Click on next button and add an action. The action can be anything from the list, for example, location, show directions. Of course, you can customize the actions in the automation as you prefer. All of the iOS functions are available for you. You can further customize this by clicking on directions and search for any location, for example, Sofia. You can also change the navigation app. In my case, I have Apple Maps, Google Maps and Waze. You can now click next and leave the automation with only this action, or you can add more actions like I'm going to do. I'll search for Do Not Disturb as it's easier to find the action this way, and I'll select it. I'll change the off to on until turned off. And I'll add one more action. This time I'll send a message to my wife saying coming home. Of course, you can change the text to whatever you wish, and I'll click next. You can disable Ask Before Running, tap Don't Ask here, and finally click Done. That way the automation will perform the actions on your behalf without asking for permissions first. Now I'm ready to test everything, and it is working! Very good! It showed me the directions, Do Not Disturb mode is on, and my wife received the message. Great! Before we continue to the giveaway details, I just want to say that this video is not sponsored by Apple. Unfortunately. But you can be my sponsor by just hitting the like button. Sponsoring the video that way will cost you nothing more than a few mouse moves and a click of a button. Thank you! It is a giveaway time as we grown up to 10,000 subscribers. To participate in the giveaway, you just have to leave a comment under this video. That's it and nothing more. Simple as that. Leave a comment now and you will have a chance to win one of these cool stickers with my logo and my slogan. It is not much, but it is from my heart. In my next video, which will be next Wednesday, I will announce the winners. So you have 1 week to leave a comment down below. If you are interested in automating like a pro, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I'm releasing a new videos on this topic every Wednesday. If you are just entering in the smart home world, I also have a getting started actionable guide that can be very useful for you. And if you are in love with AirTags, be sure to check the best AirTag accessories in my opinion in the video description below. With that being said, stay safe and don't forget, home smart but not hard. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next Wednesday.